Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you some very useful and practical hacks that can really helps in your daily life. These are simple tricks, but they are based on smart ideas from science and technology, and anyone can try at home. In the first part of this video, I will show you how to fix or attach a mobile holder on your bicycle. Many of us use bicycles every day, and sometimes we need to use our wheel for GPS, music, or even important calls. But holding the phone while riding is risky and uncomfortable. That's why a mobile holder is the perfect solution. The good news is you don't need any complicated tools or professional help. I will explain a very easy method step by step so that you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. By the end of this part, you will have a perfectly fitted mobile, making your ride safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Now, let's move on the second interesting part of this video. Imagine the solution. You come home and suddenly realize your Luke's key is broken, or maybe you lost it somewhere. It can feel frustrating, and the first thought is usually to call a locksmith, but sometimes you don't have the time or money for that. Don't worry, I will show you a simple way to open a lock when the key is broken or missing. This method is safe, quick, and practical. But remember, this hack should only be used for your own safety, okay? And emergencies, never for anything illegal. Always use knowledge responsibly. Apart from these two main hacks, I always try to add extra value to every video by sharing bonus tips and tricks. Small ideas can make a big difference in our daily life. That's why I believe science and technology are not just for experts, they are for everyone. If we learn to use them in the right way, they can save us time, money, and stress. So if you find these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay with us for more exciting science and technology content. Also, please like this video, share, comment your thoughts, and tell us how you enjoyed your thoughts and tell us which hack you enjoyed the most. And of course, don't forget to share it with your friends and family because these tips might help them too. Okay. See full video and stay with us. subscribe and stay with us for more new videos.